Understanding the idiom, cold fish. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to decode the meaning behind the phrase, cold fish. If you've heard this term before and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore this chilly idiom together. Cold fish is an idiom in English used to describe a person who is unemotional or distant in manner. It's not about the temperature of a sea creature, but rather about someone who doesn't show much affection or enthusiasm. We often use this phrase to talk about someone who is hard to understand on an emotional level because they do not express their feelings openly. The term, cold fish, has been in use for quite a while, and it draws a comparison between the cold-blooded nature of fish and a person's lack of warmth or emotion. Cold-blooded animals, like fish, don't maintain a constant body temperature, which in this idiom, symbolizes a lack of human warmth or emotional expression. Now, let's put our idiom into action. You might say, I tried to get to know my new coworker, but he's a bit of a cold fish and didn't seem interested in chatting. Notice how the phrase fits naturally into the sentence, illustrating the person's aloof personality. While idioms like cold fish add color to language, remember that they can carry different connotations in various cultures. It's a phrase that should be used carefully, as calling someone a cold fish could be seen as a mild insult. It's always important to understand the context in which you're using idioms to avoid misunderstandings. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the phrase, cold fish. Idioms are a fun and integral part of mastering the English language, and understanding them can really bring your language skills to life. I hope this video has warmed up your knowledge of this cool phrase. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.